Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about first derivative of the function. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That is about this one equal to sin s. So we need to change this one into this one. Now, if we do first derivative of this one, we have 1 plus sin s squared. And later that we do first derivative of sin s on numerator. So this one we have cos s. This one we have identity, that's about cos s squared. Now we need to simplify, and we have 1 over cos s, and this is about secant s. This is the end. Thank you for watching.